So by now all of you realize we have a useless outlet in the cargo area. If you haven't already discovered it, you might as well take a look now. Go ahead, plug something in there, see if it works. This outlet is only rated up to 100 watts, folks. That is practically useless. That means no laptops, no mini fridges, no air compressors, not even something as simple as a 5-axis CNC machine. So if Lexus didn't want you to have the capabilities of lighting up the lighthouses in the state of Maine, then what the hell is this outlet for? Let's take it a notch down and consider what your third row passengers are doing. Or better yet, what you and your guy buddies are doing in the cargo area in the middle of Brokeback Mountain. You guys are on your cell phones. Introducing the 35-watt licensed cell phone charger with a digital screen to tell you how much charge you have left. Let's check this bad boy out. Why would a cell phone charger tell me how much charge is left when it's plugged into an outlet? Shouldn't it be infinity if it's plugged in? But wait, it's not just a charger, it's also a traveling power bank. Voila! For those of you that are older than dirt, what that means is you can plug this into any outlet, even the third row outlet in the cargo area of your GX, or you can unplug it completely from an outlet and still use it to power up your devices using its power bank capabilities. And if you think these prongs are going to poke you while it's in your pocket, this folds in. But that's not all, folks. You can plug more than one device into this power bank. It also has another USB-C slot for you to power up 2 devices. And here is me plugging in another power bank and an iWatch, all into the same charging unit. So why do I appear to have 3 outlets? Remember, folks, this fast charging power bank, 7,000 milliamps, only takes up 35 watts. You still have the capabilities of installing other devices onto that outlet, such as a chainsaw from Harbor Freight. It mostly won't work, but perception is key when you're trying to one-up the neighbors. So if you guys are trying to figure out what to gift somebody, instead of giving them some stupid shit that they don't need, get something that they're going to use practically every single day. The 3-in-1 Lysen fast charging power bank. Discount code and everything is at the bottom of this video. Thanks for watching, folks.